everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, I'll show you how to save our favorite article as a template in the knowledge module of Odoo 19. Let's dive into the knowledge module, and here you can see that we are in an article and we want to just save this as the favorite. So let's go to the three dots and choose add to the templates, and here you can see that the article added to the list of templates over here. Now, if you want to make further changes with the article, you can just move on to the browse template, and here you can see that we can see hello there, Michelle admin, everything and all other details. Now let's load the template and let's make further changes. Let's say it's an update of April. So you can just provide it as updates of April. And yeah, that's how we just done with it. And you can save the changes that you have made over here. And yes, and finally you can see we have just saved the template over here, and you would be able to find the one that we have added to the favorites over here. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.